Have you ever received an email that gives you 20% off or a buy one get one free of some sort of product, and before you know it, you're already at checkout and buying it? Well, you can do that with your own businesses as well. In this video, I'll be talking a bit about email marketing. Now, this is something that I'm starting to learn myself, and I have done a bit of email marketing already. However, I'm still very new to it, and I'm trying to figure out what platform I want to have my email subscription service with. And I do multiple different businesses like KDP, YouTube, Etsy, and so on. So I'm still trying to figure out which is the best platform for each one. But I'll be going over a few different options in this video and why email marketing is important. So I just quickly doodled how effective is email marketing in 2023, and this is one of the first things that pop up. Email marketing remains one of the top marketing channels because of the stability, control, and affordability it offers businesses. Now, this is directly from this website here, and I totally believe that. I get emails all the time about deals, discounts, courses, things that are going on, and they definitely sometimes persuade me into actually buying them. And this allows you to send your new customers when you are running promotions or when you have a new product that's launching. So you can keep your existing customers buying, and you can also have new customers. So for example, if you gave away a free product and in return they subscribe to your email marketing subscription, then you can also get new customers that way because you can start sending them emails, and eventually they may actually buy something or buy multiple things. So one place I've started doing this email marketing with is Gumroad, and Gumroad is kind of one of the first things I started doing for KDP, but I can do posts here, which are basically emails, and I can do a new post and it sends to my audience. So that's actually really, really cool. However, there's guidelines with this. So until I make a certain amount of money, I'm not allowed to send to all of these contacts. So unfortunately, I can't send to all 442 right now, but I'm hoping I'll meet all of the thresholds and I'll be able to. But this is just one of the ways that you can do email marketing. So Gumroad, I think, is a great place to start. There's a bunch of different email marketing campaigns here, and I'll go through them briefly. I don't know which are the absolute best that people use all the time, but I'll go through one in particular that I'm just learning about and I think is really, really neat, especially for Etsy. So let's go over here to Everby, and I'm just signing up for this now because I'm really excited about it. And I will be transparent. I'll say this video is sponsored by Everby, and I am still new to Etsy, so I'm still working on figuring out everything with Etsy and what is the best thing to do. But with the niche that I am currently in, I think this is going to be super helpful if I can get this set up, because if people are buying one type of design from me, because I mostly do digital papers, then most likely they're probably going to be interested in another design at some point. So I think that alone is going to definitely increase my sales as long as I actually have the time to set this up and get it going. But I wanted to record this video before I walk through it all, so that way you're not surprised when you sign up yourself. So you can start sending your emails for free, which is amazing because a lot of services cost money or only give you free trials. So you can do up to 500 for free, which I feel like is an amazing starting point, especially if you're brand new to Etsy. It does usually take a while to build your business, so this is a really good place to start, because by the time you get to 500, then you'll have a better idea on what you want to do with your business. And then the amount every month changes depending on how far you go, and then over that, you would just contact them. So I'm going to hit I understand, activate Everby email. And I'm not sure if this is going to show anybody's personal information, so if I blur anything out, that is why. But this is showing my orders, which is cool. I'm not going to go to subscribers because I'm pretty sure that might show their information. But I have settings here. I can go to my dashboard. So it shows my revenue, email sent, campaigns, subscribers. Well, actually, I have 0 right now since I just started this. And Everby did do their research on this, so they are making sure they're following all of the Etsy rules. And if you have any questions, feel free to just reach out to them. You can also review the Etsy rules yourself. But this is really cool. So then it has campaigns down there and things like that. Let me just scroll down. You can do welcome campaigns. Oh, this is awesome. Let me go to subscribers. So this is where all the subscribers would be. I can view all the pages. I can add customers. So that's awesome. We are back on the campaigns page because settings actually shows my personal account information. But this is where you can set up different campaigns, do a new campaign. I'm just going to click this really quick. You can do start from scratch, Black Friday template, Thanksgiving template, Happy Holidays template, do an auto campaign or a single campaign. So this is just really, really cool. I'm going to click on the Thanksgiving one since that is currently coming up. I'm recording this video November 8th, 2023. And wow, this is awesome. All the different options here. You can edit what you want to put, customize it completely. This is amazing. Save as draft. You can send it as a test, send completely. So if you have an Etsy business, I highly recommend checking out Everby for doing emails and email marketing, because this could honestly be a game changer, I think, for your business. And I'm just going to go over some of the other email marketing apps that you can do in case you're not using Etsy, or if you just want to look into something different. So I really just want to know the pricing to kind of compare. So this is going to be different since it's not going to be directly on Etsy. Everby is connected here with Etsy. Like all of their whole tools and everything, they focus a lot on Etsy. So that's definitely going to give you a step up there. But these are all the different pricing for this one. But it doesn't have all the same things that are offered for the Everby one. I mean, this one goes up to $350 a month. I think the most I saw for Everby was $80. So that's pretty good. But this one down here shows differently, like how many email sends you can do. It all definitely varies. I'm not sure if it goes over how many actual people you can have on your list, and that's what email sends means. But there's just so many different ones out there, so I do recommend checking them all out, figuring out what is best for you. But if you are looking specifically for your Etsy business, then I definitely recommend looking into Everby. And this is send your first email campaign tonight, but this one just wants me to do a trial. I don't see actually pricing for this one anywhere aside from the trial. So, and then back to Gumroad. Again, like I said, I'm limited to how many I can message until I reach a certain amount. So going back to Everby, I really think this is helpful and going to be one of the better options if you're using Etsy and you're trying to have some sort of email marketing. I love the layout. I love how easy it is to use. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to Everby. They're usually very good at getting back to me, and you can also look at all the Etsy rules and guidelines, but they've done their research. This is amazing. This is very well done. I love that it also shows you your revenues. That way you know if your emails are actually working. So that's actually really cool. And down here, I love this graph that shows all the different opens, clips, orders, revenue, things like that. And so I really want to start getting better with my email marketing. The last time I sent emails was in Gumroad, and that was October 24th. So I really want to actually set up email marketing for all of my businesses. I just haven't really had the time. So I'm really glad that Everby launched this new part of their product, because I think this is definitely going to be very helpful for my Etsy business once I have the time to hopefully get it all up and running. And for KDP, YouTube, and everything else, I'm just going to figure out what's going to work best for me. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'd love to know if you're already doing email marketing, how that's going, if you have any tips or tricks or anything you'd like to share. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment them below, and I'll do my best to answer them.